Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to use director mode on Snapchat app from your mobile phone, then this video is for you. Watch complete video to learn how to use director mode on Snapchat. In this video, I am going to show you how to use this. First of all, open Snapchat app from your mobile phone. Here you can see the multiple options on the right side, but you have to choose plus icon from them. And here you can see the director mode. You can use timeline, sounds, multi-snap, timer, grid and focus features of your director mode. You can use these features according to your requirements. If your director mode is not showing, then you have to need to update your Snapchat app from Play Store. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.